Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you if you do have any application for your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro on your Android device. So as you can see, here we do have our headphones, and as for the SOUNDCORE headphones, speakers, etc., every single device has the application compatible with it. So actually, we do have the application, and of course it's standardized. It doesn't have, for example, SOUNDCORE headphones, SOUNDCORE speakers. Just go to the Play Store, tap search, and in the search bar, search for the SOUNDCORE. Not SOUNDCORE, SOUNDCORE. And now, as you can see, here you have this SOUNDCORE from Anchor. And actually, remember that on the Google Play Store, they have a lot of applications that are imitating the classic original applications and that are scams. So to verify that this is the official application, here you have to have minimum of 10 million downloads as for the 6th of December 2025. After this time, this application may have more downloads and minimum 105k reviews. And actually this is this application. To install this application, tap install, but if you want to have a full guide of how to install and set up this application, check our channel because we have a video for that. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.